Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you today how I do my eyebrows. I'm starting off with this pencil from Revolution. It's just a very thin pencil. Lots of different brands do this, but this is just one that I'm testing out at the moment. This is in the shade dark brown, and I'm going to use this to frame my brow to begin with. I find it easier to do this first because I barely have any brow hair, so to kind of keep some consistency in the shape of my brows, I always do this step first. Then I slightly fill in the frame with some of this pencil, as well as draw a few individual hairs at the front of the brow. So now I'm taking a black eyeshadow and starting off from the tail of the brow, I'm just going over where I applied the pencil. As I move to the front of the brow, I flip the brush to its side to move in an upward motion. I'm doing this because I'm trying to create some texture to my brows. I don't have that naturally, so I'm trying to mimic that. Taking some concealer and a paintbrush, which I got from Wilko, I am going to clean up the shape of the brows. I find it helpful to use a color of concealer that isn't too light, especially if it's an everyday look. If I'm going for something a bit more full coverage, say a bit more glam, I don't mind using a lighter concealer, but something that's a little bit closer to my skin tone just makes it easier to blend, and you don't have to use quite as much product, in my opinion. So just feel free to take your time with this, you don't have to rush. Another thing I like to do is just with whatever is left on the concealer brush, I use that to tidy up the tail of my eyebrow. So you'll just see me take the brush to the top of the brow, just with what's left of the concealer, not adding any more. And then after I've cleaned up the tail, I then take the brush to the front part of the brow and again move it in upward motions to mimic brow hairs and to create more texture. So now taking this Kiko eyebrow marker, I'm going to just sharpen up and define the brow a little bit more. So I start off at the tail again just to make that bit the darkest, and then I take it to the front part of the brow to create more hair-like strokes. And I've found adding this step into my routine has been really effective. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. You obviously want to complete your other brow and then complete the rest of your face and go on and live your life. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!